Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Global Arena YouTube channel. I am back with another important topic, which is the new type of pollution. What type of pollution is this will be discussed detailed in this episode. So before we start, make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. The world was already facing different types of pollution before this pandemic. After this lockdown, we witnessed considerable decrease in pollution because of lockdowns in many cities across the globe due to the coronavirus. Tremendous decrease in pollution due to the closure of vehicles. Now, with this outbreak, we have started facing another form of pollution which is equally harmful to us. As millions have gone back to work with countries easing coronavirus lockdown measures, the new normal wearing face masks and gloves is posing another threat to the environment. Our corona waste is now ending up in the oceans. Yes, discarded personal protective equipments are turning up in the seas and ocean across the world. Now I am discussing how we came to know about this type of pollution. A French environmental group found the items during the clean-up work at the coastal resort area. French environment members said that an increasing amount of face masks and latex gloves are ending up in the sea every day as people discard them on the street and where they want. Since 80% of trash that we see comes from the land, when it rains, the trash is taken away by the rainwaters and then end up in the sea through rivers and valleys, and then it finally goes in seas and ocean. The group warns that the world now faces more pollution linked with the COVID-19 pandemic. The group also said that the COVID-19 could get worse as more beaches reopen. Now let's discuss the consequences of this new type of pollution. Single use of masks further worsen the situations, as many people across the globe have been wearing face masks since the coronavirus outbreak began, but most of the surgical masks are disposed of after a single use. Most of the surgical masks are made up with the plastics which can technically be recycled, but possibly the contamination with saliva or nasal discharge makes recycling impractical. So after single use, people used to throw it out, and you can see them in bins or littering in the streets and now even on the coast. Another outcome of this new type of pollution is it polluting the beaches. Used mask and latex gloves are polluting the beaches because people when visit they throw it there. Owing to their lightweight, they eventually going into the seas with wind pressure and sea waves. It is also threatening to the aquatic animals because surgical mask and gloves can pose threat to the aquatic animals, as it is creating alarming situation for fishes, turtle and other inhabitant of water, because they may see them as a food item, and when they catch the surgical mask and gloves, it blocks up their digestive tracts and then they starve to death, means they go without food and die. Let's talk about the statements that come from different authorities. The Hong Kong government says that masks in the trash are treated as journal waste. That means most of the used masks end up in the country's landfill with other plastic waste, as it takes hundreds of years for them to decompose. Chinese authorities ordered that used masks can be reduced to ashes along with other medical waste because it can threat to life and environment. A statement from the WWF Conservation Group. It is a worldwide fund for nature. It works for the preservation and reduction of human impact on environment. WWF Conservation Group said that people can cut down on mask use by limiting trips outside because PPE, personal protective equipment, is becoming an ocean pollution problem, as one of the drivers recovered surgical mask and gloves in sea. A statement that come from the WHO. After personal protective equipment has been safely removed, it should be hygienically disposed of in a closed trash bin because PPE is considered contaminated trash and this is not suitable for recycling, even if it is made of rubber or plastic. So my approach on this new type of pollution is it is now everyone's responsibility to avoid this new pollution, but also our elected representatives, deputies and public authorities should also play their significant role. Laurent Lombard, one of the French environmental members, he said that in billions disposable masks have been ordered. Soon there may be more masks than jellyfish in the Mediterranean waters. The health crisis has allowed us to see the best and worst in us. If we do nothing, it is the worst that will happen.